want to hear something weird. I'm toying with the possibility of doing predictions for maths. I know, it's strange. It seems like a subject that doesn't really lend itself to that kind of thing. However, you know, you have the long questions near the end, the 3 long kind of practical based questions, and the shorter questions. It might be worthwhile trying to predict what topics are most likely for those longer questions, and maybe doing kind of like micro predictions within topics to see which kind of subtopics are most likely to be examined in a particular year. So yeah, it's something I'm looking into. For the moment though, I don't really have predictions for this subject as such. All I have really is advice, and it's probably something you've heard before, but I'll say it again because it bears repeating. And that is, the examiner, if you're brilliant at your calculator and you can put in all the formulas and use brackets and all that kind of stuff, fancy stuff, the examiner doesn't know that. There's no way of proving that you did that. So what I would say to you is, when you're writing down your answer, show every tedious step of the journey along the way. That way, if you do a little slip up, it will be very easy for the examiner to look through your work, see where the slip is, and be able to give you the lion's share of the marks for the question. Okay, so that's one tip. Also, another tip that people would give is that you should skim through the paper and start, instead of going from question 1 all the way through to question 9, find your favourite one and start with that. It can help build confidence. Also, prioritise questions 7, 8 and 9 over the first 6, because there's a huge amount of marks going for them compared to the first 6 questions. Another tip as well. My final tip would be presentation. I would make sure that your answers are very clear for each question. I'd even go so far as to use primary school methods and write answer equals and then put what the answer is and put it in a little red box, so that there is absolutely no doubt in the examiner's mind what your answer is, and it could probably as well make them be rooting for you, because you've made their job so easy. They'll want to pass you if your work is laid out in that kind of an easy to follow manner. So all the best with your maths exam. It's an important one, so I'm hoping it goes well for you. Also, don't leave any blanks. Try everything. Even if it's a ridiculous answer, it's better than no answer.